Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Zelle payment on Bank of America and explain when canceling is possible. To get started, open the Bank of America mobile app or sign into your account on the Bank of America website. Once you're logged in, go to the Pay and Transfer section. Next, select Zelle from the menu to view your Zelle activity. Here, you'll see a list of your recent and pending payments. If the payment is still pending, tap on the transaction. You should see an option to cancel the payment. Select Cancel and Confirm when prompted. Once canceled, the money will stay in your account. It's important to know that you can only cancel a Zelle payment if the recipient hasn't enrolled with Zelle yet. If the recipient is already enrolled, the payment is usually sent instantly and cannot be canceled. If the payment has already been completed and sent to an enrolled recipient, your best option is to contact the recipient directly and request that they send the money back. You can also contact Bank of America customer support to report the issue, especially if you believe the payment was sent in error or involved fraud. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand how to cancel a Zelle payment on Bank of America, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.